Well friends, here is the next problem. Now before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is choose and substitute the correct set of signs in place of stars sequentially, selecting from the given alternatives to make the equations meaningful. That means in these type of problems, the question will be given by some stars and these stars should be replaced by some set of signs given in the option. In these kind of problems, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to consider the given options, put these signs in terms of the stars and check the equation. For solving such kind of problems, you need to remember the BODMAS rule. What the BODMAS rule says that? BODMAS rule is BODMAS. The B stands for bracket, O stands for of or powers, D stands for division, where M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So whenever you come across with such kind of problems, first solve the brackets, then powers, then division, then go for multiplication, then go for addition and lastly go for subtraction. Okay, with this knowledge, let me see the given question. The given question is 10 star 2 star 14 star 6. What I'll do, I'll consider the first given question as 10 star 2 star 14 star 6. Now as I told you earlier, to solve such kind of problems, what we need to do? We need to consider the given options and these stars should be replaced by the given set of signs sequentially. Okay. The first option is having minus. What I'll do? In place of star, I'll write minus. Minus. Then 2 as it is. Star. In place of star, I'll write is equal to. Next. 14 as it is. Again star. In place of star, what I need to do? I need to put plus and 6 as it is. Now solve this. 10 minus 2. Now what is 10 minus 2? Of course it is 8. That is equal to 14 plus 6. What is 14 plus 6? Yes, of course it is 20. But 8 is not at all equal to 20. Therefore, option 1 is wrong. Now check second option. That means now these stars should be replaced by what? This set of signs. Okay. Now I will consider once again the question. Now these stars should be replaced by what? This set of signs. That as 10 as it is. Now in place of star, I have to put a plus 2 as it is. Now in place of star, what is equal to? Find 14 as it is star. Again in place of star, what is that? Minus 6. Now see, what is 10 plus 2? Of course it is 12. That is equal to as it is. Now 14 minus 6. What is 14 minus 6? Yes, of course it is 8. Once again you can see 12 is not at all equal to 8. Therefore, the second option is also wrong. Now let me consider the third option. For third option, again 10 as it is star. In place of star, into. Okay, 2 as it is. In place of star now, minus. We get minus. 14 as it is. Okay. Now in place of star, again what is that? Is equal to 6. Now here, you have to use BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, what you need to solve first? You need to solve multiplication before subtraction. Okay. So, what is 10 into 2? Of course, it is 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. Okay. Now, go for subtraction. What is 20 minus 14? Of course, it is 6. Now, that is equal to 6. Now, you can see 6 is equal to 6. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So, the third option suits with our answer. Therefore, option 3 is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.